Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tribugi. Today in this video I'll be taking you guys through the walking tour of Amsterdam city, which is a capital city of Netherlands. I hope you guys like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel Tribugi, do subscribe. Amsterdam. From its picturesque canals and the bridges to its historic homes, Amsterdam is a full-blown fairy tale. The brightly colored bicycles and the tulip stand around the town don't hurt either. Must-see sites include like the Anne Frank House, the Van Gogh Museum, and the world's only floating flower market. However, in this video, I'll be taking you through only the main streets of Amsterdam and few historical places. Now we are walking in the main street of Amsterdam, which will be connecting through the Dance Square, which has a national monument. In front of this monument is the Royal Palace of Amsterdam. Here we can see many tourists who will be enjoying their coffees in many cafes which is present here. Next to the Royal Palace of Amsterdam is the Madame Tussauds, which is the Wax Museum of Amsterdam. And if you have to visit this museum, you have to book a ticket in advance. In Netherlands, or especially in Amsterdam, we'll be able to see a lot of bicycles. People usually commute to their work or to different places through bicycles. So we can say that the Amsterdam is like a city of bicycles. And when we go to the canals, we can see the beautiful canal bridges which will be decorated with the tulips. These are the more picturesque spots of Amsterdam. One of the most prominent features is the canal ring, a concentric ring of canals built in 17th century. The merchant-based oligarchy that ruled the trading city of Amsterdam built the canal housing and mansions in the most prestigious locations here, especially along the main canals. When we are walking in the streets of Amsterdam, we'll be seeing a lot of small gardens. In these gardens, there'll be a unique statue or a monument where people can take pictures. Now we are seeing the street markets. The street markets is very popular in Amsterdam. Street markets originally sold mainly food, and most still sell the food and clothing, which we are seeing now. There is a large diversity of restaurants in Amsterdam, especially if you are looking for Asian cuisine, although much is of tailored and fairly bland local tastes and might not have been with a fire for you. There are a lot of boat houses and the lifting bridges in the Amsterdam, which are the most touristic attractions. I hope you guys enjoyed this walking tour of Amsterdam, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel Tribugi, do subscribe.